Solve systems of equation by graphing. A system of equation is a collection of two or more equations with the same set of variables. The equations y equals 5x and y equals 30 plus 2x together are a system of equations. The solution of this system is 1050 because the order pair is the solution of both equations. So if I replace x with 10 and y with 50, so those values makes both of the equation true. Yeah. Example one. Solve the system of equations by graphing y equal x, y equal negative 3x plus 4. Once I graph the first line and the second line, both of them are intersect at 1, 1. So x is 1 and y is 1, so 0.11 is the solution. If I want to check my answer, I replace in both of the equations x with 1 and y with 1 to find if it gives me a true sentence or not. Yes, 1 equal 1, all of them. So the solution of the system of equations is 1, 1. If you don't know how to graph the line from the slope-intercept form, just go back to the lesson slope-intercept form to find out how can we graph lines. Sultan and Said are selling magazine. Sultan sells 3 times as many subscriptions as Said. Said sells 12 fewer subscriptions than Sultan. So the first equation here represents by the first sentences. So Sultan sells 3 times as many as Said. So if I represent Sultan with X, sorry, if I represent Said with X, then Sultan is Y, and Y here is 3X. And the second one, he says that Said sells 12 fewer than Sultan. So X equals Y minus 12. But I need to write Y as a subject, so in different words, I can say that Y equal X plus 12 or 12 plus X. So now the two equations that I found, Y equal 3X and Y equal X plus 12. We will graph them to find in which point they are intercepted. We found then the equation intersect at 618, so point 618 is the solution. If we need to check our answers, we will substitute the value of x and y to find out if it's applicable to both of them or not. Example 3. Solve the system of equations by graphing. Y equal x minus 2, x plus 3y equals 6. So the first equation is given already in the y-intercept form, so we can graph it, no problem. And the second one provided in the standard form, so I cannot do anything unless I solve it for y to find the y-intercept form. So the first step is to subtract negative x from the both sides in the second equation, and the second step is to divide by 3. Then I could write it at y equal mx plus 3. So y here is negative 1/3 x plus 2. Let's graph the first one, y equal x minus 2, and the second new one, which is y equal negative 1/3 x plus 2, to find out which point is the intersect point. And the intersection of the graph at 3, 1. So 3, 1 is the solution. If I want to check, I'll go back to the original equations Remember that now x is 3 and y is 1, so replace y with 1 and x with 3 to find out if it works for the both of the equations or not. Yes, it works. So the solution of the system equation is 3, 1. Thank you very much.